In this video, I will show you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook and how to fix Facebook add friend option missing problem. Open your Facebook app, tap on Facebook profile icon, click on Facebook setting and privacy. Go to setting. Now scroll down. Click how people find and contact you. Now select who can send you friend request. Select everyone. Now see the second solution. Open your Facebook app, tap on profile icon, click on Facebook profile bar. Now tap on three dot, and if your professional mode is on, simply turn off your Facebook professional mode. Now see add friend show on your profile.